lecture, you all studied the reflection of light, which is the phenomena of returning light from the surface of an object when the light is incident on it. It means that the light reflects off the surface of an object and allows us to see. Well, today I'm going to cloak you all in invisibility. Can I do that? Well, let's check it. But first I would like you to pause this video and write down what you observe in the image 1 on the worksheets provided. Now before revealing the surprise, let's talk about some important and relevant concepts. As we all can see, this is an image of a glass tumbler with a pencil in it. Let's see what happens when we put water into it. Okay, so everything looked fine until we had put water into this glass tumbler. However, after adding water, you can notice some changes in both these images. Now, I would like you to pause this video again and write down the differences that you observe here. So, let's go through the differences. The addition of water makes the pencil look broken, and it has also doubled its size in the image 4. You might have observed the same phenomena when you put your hand into the bucket filled with water. Well, this phenomena is called refraction of light. To elaborate, when the light rays pass from one transparent medium to another, they bend towards or away from the normal. Let's delve into it. So here you can see water, air, and the boundary which separates them. The light rays are traveling from water to the air, and as the medium changes, the rays bend away from the normal. This is all due to refraction of light. It happens because of the different speeds of light in different mediums. Now, another important term used here is the refractive index, which is the measure of the bending of a ray of light when passing from one medium into another. So coming back to the glass beaker filled with vegetable oil that we had seen in the beginning of this video, let's observe it carefully to see what the suspense is. 3, 2, 1. Oh, a small beaker filled with oil hidden inside a big beaker. But how could it be possible? We are not able to see it. Well, this is because of refraction of light. What happens is that the refractive index of this Pyrex beaker and the vegetable oil is same. To elaborate, the light rays do not bend when they enter from oil to the beaker or beaker to the oil. So they pass as a straight line, and our eyes don't see the beaker inside the oil. Let's take another example. Do you think if I add some old oil into new oil, we will be able to identify the difference between the two or not? Definitely no. That's because the old oil or the new oil, they both have same refractive index, and that is why the light rays do not bend when traveling from the old oil to the new oil or vice versa. Let's talk about another interesting application of refraction of light. If you take a real emerald and an ordinary green stone, which looks similar to the emerald stone, how will anybody know about the real stone? Well, one method which the jewelers use to find about the real emerald stone is that they take the oil which has the same refractive index as that of the emerald stone. Then they dip the emerald stone and the artificial stone completely into that oil. If the stone disappears in the oil, it is the real emerald. And if it still appears, then definitely that is the fake one.